Hello, welcome back to our channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you're new here, please consider subscribing, and I really thank you so much for coming by and spending your time watching my videos when I know there's so many out there you could be watching instead. Today I am going to be showing you my Splendies. It always comes like in this plastic bag with the pink, I don't know what that scrolly stuff is, but the design, I can't think of what it's called, but it always comes in this pink bag. And then it always comes wrapped up in some pretty tissue. And this is the the Halloween box, or usually they did say that the Halloween is their biggest time of year of people subscribing and wanting the Halloween, so they couldn't guarantee that everybody would get a Halloween. That they gave the Halloween to the people who had been subscribed the longest if they run out. So thankfully I did get a pair of the Halloween. I got actually the 3 pair I was hoping for. This is a pair, it's made by Wilshire, Montana, and it retails for $12. And look how cute these are. Look, it has the cute little things here, and I love the fabric. They used, look how, if you can see, look how nice and stretchable their fabric is. Look how cute. Let me put them back where you can see. Look how cute they are with the, I never thought I would be showing panties on the internet, but yeah, they're just so cute. Look at those. And of course they are the full backs. You can see from the front. They're so cute. I really like this pair. And then I really like this pair. This one is made by Splendies, and these also retail for $12. Look how cute. I really like these. And there are a lot of lace on this pair. You can see but there's still a stretchable lace. You can see how nice and stretchable. Very nice fabric. And then the backs. Aren't they adorable? I just really like these. I mean, look how nice and stretchy. And then here are the Halloween print. These are also made by Splendies, and they're $12. And there is the Halloween print, the cats on pumpkins with witches' hats or whatever they are. And these are also nice and stretchy. Oh, if you wonder, these are I think $14.99 a month. But there are codes you can get when you go to their page. Usually it'll come up and say if you want to enter your email address, you can enter it and they'll send you a 50% off coupon. If they don't, let me know and I will find you a 50% off coupon. And if you want, let's see, they're $14.99 for extra large and under. And if you're over extra large, they add $2, you know, because they need more fabric, which is understandable. And aren't those adorable? So I really love this subscription. I mean, you really can't have too many panties, and I really love cute, I guess we'll say it, sexy panties. I just really like them, but I like them comfortable, and they're all really soft and just really, to me, comfortable. So that is my Splendies. Thank you so much for watching, and I love you guys. I will see you very soon. Bye bye.